jest z tego. Nie, to jest do wbijania.
Try that one, right?
Nie, to jest tego. Ale jest, ale z tego też...
44 Magnum.
Co?
Yeah, I can. Alright, yeah. Center and dry fire.
Okay.
I don't know which one you can choose.
Huh? I'm gonna try that.
That's a nice
The
one.
Desert Eagle.
Hmm?
I just want to try something I haven't tried.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna try.
Ah, to be fun.
Alright, you guys want to share? Share?
The target?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, you said it's not loaded. And you said you shot pistols before? Alright, let me see your pistol grip. Alright, put your left hand on. Nice. Alright, I want you to line your sights up. Keep pointing down range. Aim for the center of the target. Slowly squeeze that trigger so you know what it feels like.
Oh, okay.
That is
Alright,
22.
this is going to have a little bit of
Do it, yeah.
let it go. Alright, the gun is now loaded.
This takes 44 That takes 22.
Oh.
Oh, no. I was thinking about the 50.
It's a big, large gun.
So we're going to put this away? Yeah, now, let's try AK.
Nice shot. Got that very well.
Very good, man.
You want to try this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.